In this video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing Japanese gadgets for cooking egg in the microwave. Stop it! Since I moved to Japan, I've saw so many cool gadgets for cooking, and today we're going to test 3 amazing products for cook eggs in the microwave. And those are egg separator, spring egg maker, microwave thin omelet. When I saw this one in the shop, it was super cute. So it costs only $1, so it's what you do is got to take the yolk from the white. So let's try it out. Push it. There we go. That's super cute. I love it. It's so cool this product, so you don't need anymore to grab the yolk with the spoon, which is quite difficult. And even you don't need to play with the egg anymore to grab the yolk only. Right? Yeah, this is the second one. It's also paid $1 from Daiso. It's called Hot Spring Egg Maker. So what's supposed to do? I think it's going to make egg like this. It's very simple to use. Let's try out. Alright, so looks so simple. So let's see how it works. So the first things to do, make 4-6 holes in the yolk. That looks so simple. Alright, we'll put inside. Amazing. 4 tablespoons of water. Alright, let's put in the microwave. We put 500 for 50 seconds. Let's see, guys. Wow, looks perfect. So just rid of the water. Let's check it out. That's what we got. It looks perfect, guys. The third one we got is for the omelet. It's from make a thin omelet. In Japan, actually, it's very famous to do omurice. Simple. Let's open up. There we go. Just mix the eggs. There we go. Okay, 500 for 20 seconds. Let's see, guys. No, definitely not. Maybe a bit more. There we go. Definitely more than 20 seconds, but it looks good. It was easy too. So guys, that was the last one. It's so easy to use this product. Japan, it's amazing for that. And that's what we got with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Tell me which is your favorite gadget for cooking egg. If you guys like the video, also consider to subscribe. Next week we got more video coming up. See you soon.